How to turn on or turn off Google Keyboard and GBoard sound on Keypass on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard, click on GBoard, and you will see second option is Preference. Click on Preference. Scroll down and search Sound on Keypass. So you will see. For example, this is sound on Keypass. So if you want to turn off sound on Keypass, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see sound on Keypass is turn off. If you want to turn on sound on Keypass, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see sound on Keypass is turn on. You will turn on or turn off sound on Keypass from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Google Keyboard, GBoard sound on Keypass on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.